Hey everyone, welcome back to Sperm. And today we are diving into dark side of jailbreaking so that you can make an informed decision about jailbreaking your iPhone. This is the part 2 of this series. In part 1 we have discussed the myths about jailbreaking. Now it's time for actual risks and disadvantages. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. First and foremost, one of the most significant disadvantages of jailbreaking your device is the increased vulnerability to security risks. When you jailbreak your device, you are essentially bypassing Apple's built-in security measures, leaving your iPhone more susceptible to malware, viruses, and hacking attempts. You can be careful with the tweaks and modules you install, but it just takes one mistake to compromise your iPhone. Another major drawback of jailbreaking is the potential for unstable performance. Apple rigorously tests its iOS updates to ensure the seamless user experience, but when you jailbreak your device, you are tampering the core software. This can lead to unexpected crashes, an app compatibility issue, and overall sluggish performance. When you decide to jailbreak your iPhone, you are essentially voiding its warranty. Apple's official stance is that jailbreaking is a violation of their terms of use, and they won't provide any support to jailbroken device. So if your jailbroken iPhone encounter any issue, you are on your own, and repairs could end up being quite expensive. Jailbreaking can also have the negative impact on iPhone's battery life. Certain jailbreak tweaks and apps might run in the background consuming more power than usual. Additionally, modifications you make to your device settings and functionality could lead to increase in power consumption, ultimately shortening your battery life. As Apple releases new iOS updates, jailbreak developer needs time to catch up and ensure their tools are compatible with the latest software. This means that if you have jailbroken your iPhone, you might have to wait longer before you can update to the newest version of iOS, missing out on the latest features, bug fixes, and security patches. So, we hope that this video has shed some light on the potential downsides of jailbreaking. And that is it for this video, guys. Like the video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.